YouTube TV is on the brink of a massive blackout as Google service has been caught up in a high-stakes showdown with Disney. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your hub of the latest tech news. Disney and YouTube must strike a deal by 11:59 p.m. ET on October 30th, or all Disney-owned content could disappear from YouTube TV. That means ESPN, ABC, and programming like NFL, NBA, NHL, and college football could vanish overnight. Disney isn't holding back. In a statement to Variety, the media giant accused Google of exploiting its position at the expense of their own customers and warned viewers to expect public announcements about the potential blackout. Disney said YouTube TV customers will lose access to the most valuable networks they signed up for. Google fired back, claiming it's been negotiating in good faith, but that Disney's demands are too high. YouTube warned that the proposed terms would hike prices for subscribers, shrink channel choices, and favor Disney's own platforms like Hulu Plus Live TV. But don't panic just yet, as YouTube will give a $20 credit if Disney programming remains unavailable for an extended period. But this is the fourth distribution dispute YouTube TV has faced in 2025 alone, including clashes with Paramount and Fox that threatened CBS, Nickelodeon, and NFL coverage. With millions of subscribers at stake, the coming days will determine whether fans keep their favorite live sports or shows or stare at a blank screen. Are you gonna switch the service if the blackout happens? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.